Hello and welcome back to another video of World AI News. As the ongoing debate over the suitable amount of screen time for children continues among educators, psychologists, and parents, a new technology is entering the scene, shaking up educational tools and institutions. This technology is artificial intelligence and machine learning, and it's reshaping the landscape of education, giving us a glimpse into what the future of learning might hold. While most experts agree that the role of teachers is indispensable, there are numerous adjustments in store for the teaching profession and educational methods. So the question arises, will AI enhance or jeopardize traditional education? Stay tuned to find out. Our world is rapidly evolving thanks to the continuous advancements in technology. Scientists and engineers are wholeheartedly dedicated to making our world a better place through innovation. Over the past few decades, artificial intelligence, or AI, has significantly improved various sectors, such as education, healthcare, and banking. It has brought about a host of conveniences, from smart home devices that make our daily lives more efficient, to the development of self-driving cars, robotics, and sophisticated facial recognition systems. These technological marvels owe much of their functionality to the power of artificial intelligence. While AI has been a subject of fascination in countless films, its impact in the real world surpasses even the wildest imaginations portrayed on the silver screen. AI is not just a concept, it's a dynamic and ever-evolving force that is revolutionizing various fields. Among these fields, education stands out as a sector where AI can make a particularly positive impact. The introduction of artificial intelligence into the realm of education promises a future that is vastly different from what we know today. Although we might not envision humanoid robots taking over classrooms and teaching students anytime soon, we can certainly expect AI to play a pivotal role in enhancing the entire educational process. One of the key advantages of AI in education is its capacity to automate various tasks, with automation being a particularly critical function. There are tasks that often consume significant time when carried out by humans. Automation will be a game changer here, alleviating burdensome administrative processes that can be both time-consuming and prone to errors. Moreover, AI's potential extends to internal academic tasks, where it can streamline critical functions. These functions include grading assignments and examinations, scheduling classes, and even conducting assessments. By leveraging artificial intelligence algorithms, educational institutions can significantly enhance their operational efficiency. It's worth noting that in some countries, aspects of these tasks are already being automated through digital systems. However, the full-scale integration of AI into education will be a gradual process, requiring institutions to adapt to these changes over time. Nevertheless, there are notable challenges associated with the implementation of AI in education. The adoption of AI necessitates investments in technology equipment, training, system maintenance, budget allocation, and effective communication strategies. These investments can be quite substantial, posing financial constraints for some educational institutions. Despite these challenges, the automation of administrative and academic tasks will provide educators with a valuable resource: time. Educators will find themselves with more time to engage actively in the classroom, dedicating their efforts to tasks that hold greater importance to them. This newfound time can also be used for professional development, allowing teachers to acquire new skills and knowledge in addition to their academic subjects, ultimately benefiting both educators and students alike. Furthermore, customizing education to cater to the specific needs of individual students has long been a goal for educators. However, achieving this level of differentiation has proven challenging, especially for teachers who often contend with large class sizes. The emergence of AI promises to revolutionize this aspect of education by offering a level of personalization that was previously unattainable. Several companies, such as Content Technologies and Carnegie Learning, are actively working on intelligent instruction design and digital platforms that harness AI capabilities. These platforms are designed to deliver tailored learning experiences, assessments, and feedback to students across the educational spectrum, from pre-K through college. AI-driven systems have the capacity to identify the appropriate level of challenge for each student, pinpoint knowledge gaps, and seamlessly transition to new topics when needed. As AI technology continues to advance, it holds the potential to interpret subtle cues, such as a student's facial expressions indicating confusion or struggle with a particular subject. AI could then adapt the lesson in real time to address the student's specific needs. While fully customizing the curriculum for each student remains a daunting task for human educators today, AI-powered machines are poised to make this level of personalization a reality in the future. And that's not all. Artificial intelligence tools can facilitate the creation of global classrooms that are accessible to individuals from diverse linguistic backgrounds and those with visual or hearing impairments. For instance, there's a free plugin called Presentation Translator designed for PowerPoint, which generates real-time subtitles for the teacher's spoken words. This feature not only enhances accessibility but also opens up new educational opportunities for students facing various challenges. AI-driven solutions can cater to students who may be unable to physically attend school due to illness or require specialized instruction that isn't readily available in their local educational institutions. Moreover, AI has the potential to break down traditional barriers between schools and different grade levels, fostering a more interconnected and inclusive educational landscape. Additionally, trial and error constitute a fundamental aspect of the learning process, yet many students find the prospect of failure or not knowing the answer to be paralyzing. The fear of being put on the spot in front of peers or authority figures, such as teachers, can be overwhelming. In this context, intelligent computer systems designed to facilitate learning offer a far less intimidating way to approach trial and error. Artificial intelligence has the potential to provide students with the means to experiment and learn within a relatively judgment-free environment. This is particularly true when AI tutors are capable of offering constructive solutions for improvement. Interestingly, AI is exceptionally well suited to support this type of learning, as AI systems themselves often learn through a trial and error methodology. However, the past couple of years have brought significant upheavals to the education sector, largely driven by the COVID-19 pandemic. In these challenging times, remote learning emerged as a lifeline, ensuring that students across the globe could continue their education uninterrupted. Looking ahead, the role of artificial intelligence in education appears increasingly vital, especially in preparing for unpredictable events like pandemics. AI can serve as a powerful tool for adapting to unforeseen circumstances, providing a more resilient educational ecosystem. With the integration of machine learning and robust data analytics, artificial intelligence aims to make teaching more collaborative and engaging. Enhanced audiovisual classrooms and AI-driven robots are poised to elevate the teaching experience to unprecedented levels. These AI robots will also play a crucial role in delivering personalized learning experiences, catering to the unique needs and preferences of each student. And speaking of AI robots, let's explore some of the leading educational robots that have already found their way into classrooms. Robotics holds great potential as an engaging and effective tool for language learning, and the NAO robot has demonstrated exceptional promise in this domain. With its humanoid form and expressive capabilities, NAO facilitates various linguistic interactions and provides valuable feedback to learners. For instance, NAO can read stories to students, pose comprehension questions, engage in conversations, conduct pronunciation exercises, and even identify and rectify grammar and vocabulary errors. Thumio, a compact programmable robot developed by the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, is tailored to teach coding to children. It offers an interactive and enjoyable way to introduce fundamental coding concepts. Equipped with sensors for object detection and obstacle avoidance, Thumio becomes an ideal resource for teaching robotics and programming. Pepper, an educational humanoid robot from SoftBank Robotics, excels in human interaction and performs a range of functions, including educational and entertainment roles. In educational settings, Pepper has proven valuable in teaching subjects like mathematics and science. Being a social robot, Pepper possesses the ability to comprehend and adapt to students' emotions, fostering an engaging and enjoyable learning experience. Then there's Beep, a robot specifically designed to assist children with autism spectrum disorder (ASD) in developing social skills. Beep utilizes AI to interact with children, teaching them essential social cues such as eye contact, greetings, and turn-taking. Beep's interactive nature helps make the learning process of social skills both enjoyable and less intimidating for children with ASD. However, along with the numerous advantages of AI in education, it's crucial to recognize that there are certain drawbacks as well. One notable negative aspect of AI in education is its potential to reinforce existing biases. Machine learning algorithms heavily rely on extensive data sets to identify patterns and make predictions, and if these data sets contain biases, the AI system will also inherit those biases. For instance, an AI system used for grading essays might have been trained on a dataset that inadequately represents a particular demographic, leading to unfair grading. This can perpetuate a lack of diversity and inclusivity in education, further entrenching existing inequalities. Furthermore, AI's integration into education may result in an over-reliance on technology, While technology offers many benefits, an excessive dependence on it could hinder students' critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Another potential downside of AI in education is its potential to disrupt the job market for educators. AI-driven systems have the capability to automate administrative tasks, grade assignments, and even provide tutoring. Consequently, there's the possibility of AI replacing some of the roles traditionally performed by human teachers, potentially leading to job losses and a shift in the skills and expertise demanded in the education sector. In conclusion, AI has the potential to reshape not only where and how students learn, but also who facilitates their learning. Despite its capacity to revolutionize education, it's imperative to acknowledge and address the negative impacts and challenges that artificial intelligence might introduce. While substantial transformations may still be a few decades away, the reality is that AI has the potential to substantially alter many aspects of education that we currently take for granted. What do you foresee the future of AI in education looking like? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell. Thanks for tuning in.